Good morning, class. I am so happy to be here today to teach you some basic Cook Island words. Are you ready? Let's start. I means yes. I, yes. Kare means no. Kare, no. Ine means please. Ine, please. Pōmeitaki means good night. Pōmeitaki, good night. Pōpongimeitaki means good morning. Pōpongimeitaki, good morning. Kia orana means hello. Kia orana, hello. Kai means eat. Kai, eat. Moi means sleep. Moi, sleep. Aere mai means come. Aere mai, come. Aere means go. Aere, go. Tāmata means start. Tāmata, start. Oti means finish. Oti, finish. Inu means drink. Inu, drink. Pongi means hungry. Pongi, hungry. Okay, are we ready to learn some numbers? Let's go. 1, ta'i. 2, rua. 3, toru. 4, a. 5, rima. 6, ono. 7, itu. 8, waru. 9, iwa. 10, taingauru. Excellent job, class. You did amazing. Give yourself a round of applause.